Okay, this is chapter number 11, coordination and response, where in today's lesson we have to see the differences between nervous and hormonal control. The nervous control and hormonal control differ in many ways. For instance, in hormonal control, hormones are involved, and in nervous control, nerve impulses or electrical impulses are involved. In hormonal control, the hormones, once released by the glands, are transported towards their target organs through blood, while electrical impulses or nerve impulses are transmitted through neurons. We have already studied about neurons in our previous lessons. We have three kind of neurons: sensory neuron, a relay neuron, and effector neuron. Now, if I have to see the type of response which is produced by these two, the hormonal control is very slower compared to nervous control. The effect of hormones is short-lived or long-lived. In case of adrenaline, we have seen that the effect of adrenaline is quite short-lived. It is only seen in that particular fight or flight action or in that emergency situation. On the other hand, there are some hormones which have long-lived effects. For example, thyroxine, which is a growth hormone released by thyroid gland. It shows its effect throughout the life. On the other hand, the effect of nervous control is short-lived. Hormonal control or release of hormone is involuntary, while nervous control can be voluntary or involuntary. For instance, if I decide to move from one place to another, the nerve impulses will be generated, and that action that I am performing with my conscious control would come under voluntary action. On the other hand, breathing rate, heart rate, pupil reflex, all these reflexes are not in my conscious control, so they would be going into the category of involuntary actions. Effect of hormones is on one or more target organs, while nervous controls affect the localized area, not the generalized effect. Overall on the body, it does not show generalized effect on the body. The effect is usually located on specified organs. This is an MCQ from May-June 2019 paper, which says that how does hormonal control usually differ from the nervous control. So remember that the speed of the message conveyed by the hormonal control is slower compared to nervous control, where electrical impulses are involved to transmit the nerve impulses, to transmit the message. So hormonal control is slower compared to nervous control. And what about duration of effect? The hormonal control, the effect of hormone is usually long term, not short term. Usually we have the example of adrenaline where we can see short-term effects too, but in general the hormonal effect or the control is longer term based. So option C would be correct here, which says that the speed of message conveyed by hormonal control would be slower compared to the nervous control, and the duration of effect is usually long term. This is another question taken from October-November 2015 paper, question number 7, which says that suggest why these changes that take place in the eye are controlled by the nervous system rather than by a hormone. So I haven't taken the first part of this question, which shows some changes in the eye. Let's consider pupil reflex here. So the question would be that why pupil reflex is controlled by nervous system rather than by a hormone. So you see, you have to write the fact that if it had been controlled by an hormone, so hormone is a chemical which is released by the gland, and it would take time to reach its target organ. So since it is slower in speed, its effect is achieved in a longer period of time compared to nervous system. That's why reflex actions are controlled by nervous system, not hormonal control. If it had been like that, now imagine if you are in an area where the light intensity is a lot, it is higher, and pupil reflex would have taken a lot of time if it had been controlled by hormonal control, because hormones take time to reach their target organs. So in this question you would have written all the characteristic of the nervous system being faster compared to hormonal control, and the fact that electrical impulses are involved which are transmitted through neurons, and they obviously have a very fast speed compared to hormones that will take a lot of time reaching their target organs. When I say a lot of time, I always say that with comparison to electrical impulses transmitted through the neurons. Hormonal control is slower compared to nervous system.